Fancy a snog? Of course you do. So I'll show you how to do it. It's a CMOS drink like an eggnog but with no egg. So you need some cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg, and some dates. You need a date for every good snog. You need some lemon rind, also some milk or some liquid. But you need GESOZO CMOS. Make sure you get that and make sure you get the package. Oh, look at that. So don't blink. You put all the cinnamon into a glass, maybe a container, and then you pull out some CMOS gel from nowhere. You put the gel into the blender, then you put some hot water over the cinnamon and the spices to release all that spices. Oh, look at that packet of GESOZO CMOS. Then you put some dates into the mixture and you blend until it is smooth. You then stop the blender, put in some lemon rind and a bit of vanilla essence. Boom, badam, bush, bath. That's you done. You've blended it, you've made it, you followed my recipe. It's fast and I know you didn't get any of this. So if you really want to know how to make this, go to gesozo.co.uk and you will find some great recipes to make some CMOS snog. Fancy a snog? Yes, you do.